As you can see, this is just a model compressor that you'll see in future videos of diagrams of different types of HVAC refrigerant cycles, right? And just to show you how our pressure and temperature relate to each other inside of volume, I'll just show you like a plastic water bottle. Imagine this is the chamber inside of the compressor. You've probably done this all as kids, right? Where you just throw it up and immediately you'll notice that it's a lot harder to push this in now, right? And as you keep on compressing it, the science behind this is that there's a fixed amount of molecules, like air molecules, inside of this water bottle, right? And there's also a little bit of water molecules from when you can't get every single bit of water out when you drink the water bottle, right? So that H2O, as the pressure increases in here, because the air molecules don't have anywhere to go, the water will start to heat up. And then over time, if you keep on twisting it, because there's a decreased volume, now these water molecules will boil into steam. And when we let this off, you'll see that there's a little bit of steam coming out, right? So that's basically the entire job of the compressor, is to just compress all the molecules that are inside a confined space into a higher pressure. And they do that by limiting the volume that the pressure or that the molecules are in. Hey there. I bet you wish you could do something like this, huh? Maybe after you like and subscribe and comment, you should just turn off the computer, turn off the phone, and you can go climb a tree like I did. Stay tuned for more.